she and I created a close affinity during those 4 years she was working for Judge Brown on Division III, and from all of the folks I've talked with in keeping associations within the judicial community, I found what a wonderful lawyer Tracy was. Her appellate gifts are remarkable, and they have been transferred along with her compassion and along with her wisdom to this new court. And you are so very fortunate to have Tracy as well as the other two women who are on this bench. As I understand, the only reason anybody would even think about campaigning for running against Tracy is that the stated reason is that she lives outside the city. Well, I did a little research and I found that there hasn't been a Supreme Court justice on the Supreme Court of the state of Washington, except two in the during my career, my judicial career, which was 26 years and the 6 years hence since I've retired. There have been two judges from Eastern Washington. There have been hundreds and hundreds of opinions written on legal issues involving not only the city of Spokane, but Eastern Washington. And no one has said a word about the fact that we've had dozens and dozens of Supreme Court justices who drive up and down the I-5 freeway as part of their routine in going from their home to the Temple of Justice. It hasn't hurt a thing. It's great to have Justice Stevens on the bench now, even in spite of all of that. But the other thing is, if you look at Division III, who deals with so many cases from Spokane County being the major contributor to actions that come before Division III, you have a judge from Wenatchee, you have a judge from the Tri-Cities, you have a judge from one from Spokane, and we have one from Yakima. It's not an issue. This is a non-issue. This is a court serving the city of Spokane. It is a court involving women who have practiced law in Spokane for many years. This is a court composed of women who are very, very cognizant of Spokane problems, and this is a court that deserves to be re-elected come this fall. We have a wonderful court. In 26 years on the bench, I think I can say there have been times when I've noted that some benches were without harmony. This is a bench that has harmony. This is a bench that works well together. This is a bench that is creative, and this is a bench that is most interested above all in justice. And we need to keep these three women on this bench. So I urge you